Hello and welcome to Church Media Creative. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to live stream to Facebook and YouTube at the same time using vMix. Let's dive right in. Today, I'll walk you through the full setup in vMix from checking your network to configuring two RTMP destinations and going live. By the end, you will be able to stream to both platforms simultaneously and end your stream cleanly. Test your upload speed before you stream. For stable 1080p streaming, aim for 10 to 50 MB per second upload. For 4K, aim for 25 MB per second upload or higher. There is a link in the description showing you how to test your speed. Launch vMix. Now, vMix is a live production tool that mixes video, audio, graphics, and can stream to multiple destinations at once. Here, we are going to add an input. For this tutorial, I'll be adding an image as input. You can also add camera, video file, slides, or audio. Do well to check and balance your audio level so your viewers can hear you clearly. Configure streaming destination. To configure streaming destination, click the setting gear icon and open Stream. vMix supports multiple streaming destinations. You can configure tab 1 for Facebook and tab 2 for YouTube. You may leave tab 3 empty or use it for another destination. Facebook setup. Tab 1. Set destination to custom RTMP. In Facebook, open the page or profile you want to stream from. Click Create Live or Live Video. Under Setup Live Video, Advanced Setting. Copy the server URL and paste it into the vMix URL. Copy the stream key from Facebook and paste it into vMix stream name /key. Click Start 1. Back in Facebook, confirm Connect video source is checked. Scroll up, fill in your post details, title, description, title Sunday service, description, the theme. Then click Save. Then click Go Live on Facebook to start the broadcast. Now you are live. For tab 2, set destination to custom RTMP. In YouTube, sign into the channel you will stream from. If it's your first time, enable live streaming. YouTube may require verification and up to 24 hours to activate. Click Create, Go Live. Under Stream Setting, copy the URL and paste into vMix URL. Copy the stream key under encoder settings and paste into vMix. Stream name/key. In vMix, click Start to. Keep your browser open during the streaming. On YouTube, click Go Live to start the broadcast. Ensure both Start 1 and Start 2 are running in vMix. Confirm both platforms show a connected video source and that your audio/video are working. Monitor chat and stream health on both Facebook and YouTube. On Facebook, click End Live Video. And on YouTube, click End Stream. In vMix, click Stop All. Save your vMix project and any recording before closing the software. Tips and troubleshooting. If you experience drop frame, lower your bit rate or resolution. Use wired Ethernet when possible for a more stable connection. Test everything with a private or unlisted stream before going public. Record locally in your vMix as a backup. If this tutorial helps you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss future church media creative tutorial. If you would love to start live streaming and you need vMix software, check the link in the description below. Leave a comment if you want a walkthrough of multi-camera setup or audio routing in vMix. See you in our next video.